Okay, I got to meet a interesting guy yesterday. This guy had about 100 rider mowers for sale, and I asked him how he got so many of them. He says he races them. I said, where? He says, in my track right here. So I might get into racing lawnmowers. Anyway, this is a DLT3000 Craftsman. I got a DLT2000, which I always thought was a nice running mower. It left a better cut than the standard LT1000. And this one's hydrostatic. So all those mowers were $50. And I went up and down and looked at them and kind of picked the prettiest in the bunch here. I did change the oil. The carburetor was stuck, not the carburetor, but the anti-backfire valve. So push this clutch machine thing in. But the deal is, because they race them, somebody's getting ready to pull this engine. It's a 20 horse Kohler V. Got overhead valves and twin cams, and so they cut the belts. So I just spend I don't know, $40 for belts. Anyway, it'll be a nice mower, I think, if the hydrostatic works. So that's the latest and the greatest. But yeah, I might get into lawnmower racing. It looks like a lot of fun. Super cheap. And it's a local track. Or later.